Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by ensuring your PS5 is online and updated. This prevents app issues later. Once connected, sign into your PlayStation Network account and pair a controller or Bluetooth keyboard for faster typing. Make sure your Google account username and password are accessible because you'll log in during the process. Now, switch to media or browser options. You're ready to add or access Google services. This initial preparation keeps the next steps quick and avoids interruptions from updates or login prompts. Now open the PS5 browser or the Google-compatible app you installed. If the browser isn't obvious, access it through a web link inside a game or media app. Once the browser is open, navigate to Accounts. Google.com or the specific Google service you want and choose Sign In. Use the controller or paired keyboard to enter credentials, or use the device sign-in flow where you visit a URL on your phone and enter a code. This step focuses on secure sign-in and linking the console to your Google account smoothly. Finish by granting necessary permissions and testing a quick Google search or YouTube playback to verify everything works. Once done, enable two-factor authentication on your Google account for added security and make sure auto-sign isn't saving unsafe data. If the sign-in or playback fails, clear browser cache or cookies, restart the PS5, and retry. If problems persist, reset network settings or use a wired connection. This final check ensures reliable access and gives you one practical troubleshooting step to resolve common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.